In this video, I'll show you how to change the inputs of your Vizio TV without any remote controls. So what you need to do is to locate the power button that is located under the TV. So let me just put the TV the other way so you see it's a hidden button. Okay, my Vizio TV has the button right over here on the left side, but maybe yours is in the middle or on the right side. So find the button that is under it. Then you simply need to tap on it once, so this menu appears. Every time you press on that button, simply single taps, it will switch between different options. And you see the one highlighted, it will be in orange. You simply need to select your source that you want, let's say HDMI 2, and release the button, don't touch it anymore, and it will go over there in like 2 seconds. You see, HDMI 2. To switch again the source, same thing, press that button. If you want to go back home, simply go to Vizio Home and let it go. And here we go, we're back on the home menu. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.